It's never mentioned, but there actually was a water wheel dyno test that was actually conducted and done, and it actually worked out pretty well, where they hooked a dyno, basically an early generator, to a water wheel, and it actually worked fairly well. I forget how they did it. I think they used some sort of speed increase or something like that, or they found a way to make it work where it could turn at low RPMs and produce enough power for lights anyway. It wasn't a lot of power, but it was a little bit of power, and I think later on they might have even done some sort of gear thing where they had metal gears with the wooden shafts, and it seemed to work pretty well, I think. But they never mentioned how the water wheel actually was used with the dyno first for some applications. I like my water wheels a lot, and because I had invented them too, so and then I invented other things. And like I say, Auschwitz was actually producing power for the nearby town. It had enough extra power from the steam engines and the steam turbines to run dynos to actually produce power in the town. So while it lit up its own camp, and it also pr- put power to the nearby towns. In fact, there were quite a few steam and dynos, turbine units that were produced that would provide power for a lot of different houses and groups. And they were also working on the thorium reactor for thorium steam reactor to also be hooked up with a dyno as well. So they never mentioned that, but I just thought I'd put that out there. That was something in history that was used, actually, dynos and steam. I mean, dynos and water wheels. So anyway.